Do you ever miss the stars?
Not really. They make me feel uneasy.
What'd they do to you?
They're always watching. It's eerie.
It's not like they're sentient.
How do you know? You've never seen them?
They're exploding balls of gas in the sky. I highly doubt they're watching.
You're probably right. I just can't help feeling that they are.
You didn't have to pay for all that love.
I can treat you sometimes, as if you don't deserve it.
Want to head home?
Yeah. Do you mind if we walk, though? The streetcar seems too confining right now.
Yeah, that sounds good. How are you feeling?
All good. No worries. I've been meaning to ask you something. Nora, when I close my eyes, I no longer see a vast void. It's been replaced by visions. I see you everywhere. I desire you wholly. You save me from this eternal, everlasting darkness. I cherish your every breath and heartbeat. I want nothing more than to be yours forever. May I please be your wife?
You're joking, right?
Why the fuck would I joke about this? Are you fucking serious right now?
Saoirse, we've been together like 2 months.
Wrong. It's been 3 months, 8 days.
Well, that just further proves my point.
Clearly not. I don't see it.
My point is that I don't know you.
We talk a lot. You should know me. Do you not listen?
Ha 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 ha!